Okay, children. So coming to the motion lesson, some questions I'll be asking you, children, if you know it. First question. First question. Children, a body is moving along a circular path, okay, of radius r. Okay, what will be the distance and displacement after one rotation? You know this, very easy. What is the distance, children, after one rotation?
2 pi r.
2
2
pi
pi
Two
r.
r.
by R, sir.
And what is
2
the
pi r, sir.
displacement, children?
Zero,
0.
sir.
0, sir.
Yesterday only I told like this question. Second one. In a round trip, you travel 6 kilometers, then arrive back home. Children, you travel 6 kilometers. Okay. In on a round trip, you travel 6 kilometers, then arrive back home. Okay, 6 kilometers. What distance have you traveled? So, children,
12
6
kilometers.
kilometers.
12 kilometers.
So, what is the
12
distance traveled?
kilometers.
Children? 12 kilometers.
12
12.
kilometers.
But what is the displacement?
0.
Zero, sir.
0. 0.
0. Okay, children, third question. Children, a body travels a distance of 3 kilometers towards east. Children, try to understand this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. A body is traveling a distance of 3 kilometers towards east. Like this, it is traveling 3 kilometers. Try to understand. 3 kilometers towards it. Then 4 kilometers towards north. Then 4 kilometers towards north. And finally, 9 kilometers towards east again. Okay, I will draw here clearly, children, so you will understand. See here, first 3 kilometers east, then 4 kilometers north, 9 kilometers east again, 9 kilometers east. Question is, what is the distance and displacement? What is the distance and displacement? Here. Anyone distance at least?
16
Sir,
kilometers.
distance 16 kilometers.
16,
16
sir.
kilometers.
7 plus 9, 7 plus 9, 16 kilometers. Displacement. I was telling you, no, children, yesterday how to do
Yes,
like
sir.
this
10
question.
square, 10 square plus 4 square is equal to x square, sir.
Like this, you have to join, children. This is the displacement. This is the displacement, children. Yesterday, I was telling you, this is shortest distance between initial and final points is called displacement. Okay, you just put like this and put like this, children. If this is 9, this is also 9. If this is 4, this is also 4. If this is 4, this is 4. This is 9, this is 9. What is the total here, children? 12. And what
12.
is here? 4. You have to find out x. How do you find out x, children?
Sir, 12 square plus 4 square is equal to x.
X square is equal to 144 plus 16, children. X square is equal to 160. X is equal to root of 160. X is equal to 4 root 10 kilometers. It is the displacement law, shortest distance between initial and the final point. The shortest distance between initial and final points is this one, children. A boy walks from his classroom to the bookshop along a straight corridor towards north. He covers a distance of 20 meters. Children, a 1 second. Children, a boy is traveling a distance of 20 kilometers. Children, a boy is traveling a distance of 20 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 20 meters. See here, children, 20 meters in 20 seconds. A boy is traveling 20 meters in 25 seconds. I'm sorry, children. This is 25 seconds. 25 seconds. To reach the, after buying a book, he travels the same distance in same time to reach back. Again, he travels same distance in same time. Question is, what is average speed and average velocity? This is the question. Average speed is
Total distance by
20
Total distance by total time.
total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 20 plus 20?
40 by 50.
What is
40.
total time? 50.
5.
50.
4 by 5. That is
20.
0.8 meter per second. Average velocity is total.
0.
Total displacement by total time.
0, sir.
Yeah, 0. Why? Because he went and he came
Sir.
back. So displacement by 50. 0 is that he went and came back to the same point. So 0 is the answer. Because displacement covered is 0. If the displacement is 0, average velocity is also 0. If displacement is 0, average velocity is 0. Next question, children. See here. A car travels 100 kilometers at a speed of 60 km/h. A car travels 100 kilometers at a speed of 60 km/h. Okay, and returns 100 kilometers at 40 km/h. Calculate average speed and average velocity. Average speed, what, children? Total distance
Total
by
distance by total time.
total distance by total time. What is the total distance, children? 100 plus 100, 200.
200.
200 kilometers.
by
But
100.
time is not given separately, children. Time is not given separately. What is time? Distance by speed. What is time? Distance by speed. What is time? Distance by
Distance by speed.
speed. Distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. Distance by speed. So 200 by this gone, this gone. 6 and 4 LCM is 12, children. 6 twos are 12, 2 tens are 20, plus 4 threes are 12, 3 tens are 30. This 12 goes go up. 200 into 12 by 50, 54 so 48 kmph is the average speed. What is the average velocity, children? Average velocity?
0, sir.
Total
Zero,
distance.
because he went and he came back to the same point. He went and he came back to the same point. So total average velocity is zero. Average velocity is zero. Try to understand, children. Because displacement is zero. Next question. A ball hits the wall horizontally, children. A ball hits wall horizontally at a speed of 6 meter per second. It rebounds at 4.4 meter per second. The ball is in contact with the wall for ball for 0.04 seconds. What is the acceleration of the ball? Acceleration. Children, final velocity minus initial
Initial
velocity
velocity by
divided.
Time.
Final velocity is how much? 4.4.
4.
4.4 minus 6 by 0.04.
Minus 1.6 by 0.4. So minus 16 by 10 and 4 by 100. Okay, so this gone 4 is the minus 14 meter per second square. Why we got minus? Because speed was decreasing means it is a retardation. So when it is a retardation, definitely we'll get minus answers only. Your children. So this is how the questions. Next question. Okay, there is a graph you can see here.
Sir, sir, in the previous question, it hits the wall, right? So every action has an equal and opposite reaction, right, sir? Then how can it slow?
Every action has equal and opposite reaction because what happens whenever it is hitting the ball, maybe the ball is not perfectly speared. Therefore, what happens? It is in contact for 0.04 second. Understood? Every action is equal and opposite reaction. We will consider only the case of force, not in the case of speed. Understood now?
Okay, sir. Oh, yes,
Only the
sir.
case of force we will consider. It might have given the same force, but that did not receive the same force because the ball may be of different variety. So children, see here. This is three. This is distance time graph, children. This is distance. This is time graph. Okay. This is 3, and in 3 seconds it is going 5. Sorry, in 5 seconds it is going 3 meters. And next, this is at 7. Please see here, children. This is distance time graph. This is 9. Okay, and here maximum distance attained is 7 meters. Question. First question. Anyone? Calculate the speed of body as it moves from A to B. As it moves from A to B, what is the speed of the body? Speed. What is the speed attained by the body?
Sir, 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
So speed is equal to what is the speed? Children, what is the initial velocity? 0. Final,
0.
final velocity we want. Okay,
Yeah,
initial velocity is
5.
not 0. Wait. It covered. So distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is how much? 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
0.6 meters per second is the answer. 0.6 meter per second. And here, children, the body is at 3 meters. Here, what will be the speed? 0.6 here it attained, no? Till here, 0.6 only. What is the speed here?
0, sir.
Yes, what is the speed here?
0.6.
3 by 6.
0.6 only, it is continuing. Or anything you want to say. You want to say it is continuing 0.6 because it is flat.
Continuing.
Yes, anyone in the class? Is it 0.6 only, or you want to say anything else? Anyone in the class? What is the speed attained? Here is 0.6. Again, till here it is not increasing. What can you say about this motion? What can you say about this?
Uniform speed. Uniform speed.
I want to see who will tell correct answer in the class. I want to see now. Because tomorrow I will see who will tell.
Sir, it is at rest, sir.
Very good. It is at rest, children. It is at rest. In velocity time, it is uniform speed, but here it is at rest, children. No one is saying children. Very, very bad. I thought you will tell, but no one is telling. It is at rest body distance time graph. It is at 3 meters here. It is at 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters. It is not changing when it's at rest. Very good. So again here speed. What is the speed here again? How much distance it traveled? 3 to 7 means how much distance it traveled? 3 to 7 means
4 meters.
4 meters.
in how much time? 2. So answer is 2 meters per second. It is here it is traveling with 2 meters per second. Here it travels with 6 point meter per second. Here zero velocity because it is not moving. Children, still you are not able to analyze graphs. I made you do so many graphs. One more graph question. Okay, so children, this is 3 meters. Oh, let's see, 1 second. I told, yeah, I told same question. In that question only I told of everything. Next, what can you say about the motion of a body if the displacement time graph is straight line? Children, this is the displacement time graph. If displacement time graph is straight line, what can you say about the motion of the body? If displacement is straight line, what you can say? It is
Uniform.
Uniform velocity.
Acceleration.
uniform
Uniform.
speed.
Uniform.
Speed is equal to distance by time. In velocity time, this is acceleration. In velocity time graph, this is acceleration. In distance or displacement time graph, this is distance means uniform speed. If it is displacement time graph, it's uniform velocity. So you should be very careful, children. Remember. Okay. So speed is distance by time. Acceleration is velocity by time. Okay. Next. Okay. 3, 4 simple questions will do, children. A scooter acquires a velocity of. A scooter acquires starting from rest. A scooter acquires a velocity of 36 kmph in 10 seconds. What is the acceleration and what is the distance traveled? So 36 kmph means 36 into 5 by
5
18.
by
2 5s are 10. What is the acceleration formula, children?
V by
U minus U by T.
So 10 minus 0 by 10. That is answer is 1 meter per
1.
second square.
second.
If you don't write units properly, you will not get marks, remember, children. And what is the displacement traveled? V square minus U square is equal to
2s.
10 square minus 0 square is equal to 2 into 1 into S. 100 is equal to 2 into S. This goes down. 50 meters is the distance traveled by the body in 10 seconds. How much distance it traveled? 50 meters, children. Okay. Like this, only one more we'll do and we'll stop, children, and we'll do some activities, children. Okay. So a moving train is brought to rest. Brought to rest means final velocity is 0. Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Brought to rest within 20 seconds. Children. A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds. Okay, within 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds by applying brakes. Find the initial velocity. Find the initial velocity. If retardation is, children, if retardation is 2, if retardation is 2, acceleration is minus 2.
Minus 2.
If retardation is 2, acceleration is minus 2. So, what is the acceleration formula? We have V minus U by T.
V minus U by T.
minus 2 equals to 0.
So, how much, children? 40
40 meters.
40 meters.
40 meters per second, children. Okay. So, we'll do some activities, children. I hope you are able to understand this. We'll do some activities. Wait, children.